Making a mess. You always make a mess. You love those taters, though, huh? Boy, those taters are good. Yummy. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh. Yeah. Well, now why do you have to throw them on the floor, though? I don't get that. I don't get it. Could you tell me why? Why some of them end up on the floor? Huh? You little goon. Willie. We're going to go outside in a minute. I want to take a break and smoke. Yep, you're happy now, huh? You got your taters. Yeah, Mr. Willie O'Reilly. Yeah, Willie O'Reilly. You're an Irish cockatoo, huh? You come from Ireland. Yes, the Emerald Isle. Do you come from Ireland? Oh, my sweet child. You are from Ireland. You're an Irish little birdie, aren't ya? Yeah, aren't ya? Yeah, you are. Mr. Willie O'Reilly. Yep, that's him. He's a little Irish birdie. Yes, he is.